So your RV door won't latch, and you're tired of slamming it shut like it owes you money. Fortunately, this has a pretty straightforward fix, and will boost your quality of life instantly, maybe even land you a promotion. First, ensure the RV is as level as possible. Otherwise, the chassis may be under a twist that can throw the door alignment off. At first glance, the striker pin doesn't seem adjustable, but loosening it with a 5/16 inch Allen key will reveal all of its secrets. And that secret is, with the striker loosened, you are free to readjust it. The tricky part is to find the Goldilocks zone for the striker. Too high or too low, and the door won't even close anymore. You'll have to play around with it, and remember that the striker can go up and down, as well as side to side. Once I got my striker positioned, this is how it closed in relation to the claw. When finished, tighten the striker. I also marked its position with a Sharpie to make my life easy next time. If done right, it shouldn't take much effort to get the door to latch.
Nice.
With that, you'll have instantly earned the respect of your peers and won a Nobel Peace Prize for making silence great again. Until next time, thank you for watching.